Thank you, guys. I'm just going to miss you for just a little while, not very long. Okay? Oh, you guys made me cry. I just love you guys. Thank you. Okay, so, thank you guys. I needed that. That was good. All right, so with that, before I fall apart some more, we're going to have our ice cream party. Now, let me tell you what's going to happen this summer, because we're doing something new, because we have some wonderful sponsors. We're able to do some home visits. So, Miss Angie and Miss Sandy are going to be calling you guys the end of June, and we're going to be setting up a home visit for them to come and see you guys and bring you a special present. Miss Angie and Miss Sandy will come to your house and say hello in the summertime, and they'll bring you a present, okay? And they're also going to give you a special ticket. And when you bring that back in August, when we have our ice cream, we're going to have another ice cream party in August. Isn't that fun? Then we'll have another present for you. Okay? So we'll have some really fun things planned for the upcoming year. You guys are really going to love it. Thank you again for everything.
Hey, Braden. Braden, you're a graduate, buddy.